Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween embellishment box swap. I've got lots of swaps that I'll probably be opening and uploading today. I was down for a couple days with a cold, like after the hurricane. I'm guessing the weather changed. I don't know. My husband brought it home to me, but sorry if I clear my throat or my voice. Again, head cold. But this one is from Carol, and this looks so amazing. So let me open this up real quick. Okay, so here we are. So we had this fun trim that was tying the bag, and if you know me, I am a sucker for some good trim, and I love adding trim to all my swaps somewhere incorporated in it. So this is so pretty. So pretty. I love it. All right, so this little card, and yes, she's from Canada, so she's got a little Canadian flag pin right there. Isn't that cute? So cute. I'm excited. Oh, I need to remove it to open it. Come on. I'm gonna stab myself. I'll put that on my desk. Here's our cute card. Oh, here's our shipping. I just wanted to thank you for allowing me to join you. Oh, she just did. I just, like, probably a couple days ago, I opened her ATC swap and I uploaded that, but I didn't get to this embellishment box until now. She likes a good shabby theme. Aw. So cute, Carol. Thank you so much. Let me put that aside. And look at this box. Isn't this cool? So I did last Halloween, I did a loaded coffin swap. Or you could do it like a loaded coffin or a trapper keeper. And I made a coffin and it had like very similar vibes. So I really like this. So cute. I love this material here too. And even the side, she's got the string on here with hidden by some little ghost. No. Oh, well, I think I can slide it out anyway. Maybe it was just for looks because it doesn't want to open like that. So I'll tie that back up. So here is her chunky embellishment box. See all the goodies inside. Oh, I like this box. This is a good size. So in this one, she's got a sequin mix. That is fun. She's got a little bat bow. Oh, I love how she put glitter on the tips of the wings. That's really cute. We have some little mini flowers because who doesn't love mini flowers and who hates to make mini flowers? A lot of people. I like making mini flowers, but not everybody does, but these are so cute. And then we have, what is this? Oh, some jemmies and like this blinged out little trim. Look at that. That's like chunky. These are chunky jemmies too. And she's got a little cute little ghost garland on the bag topper. Oh, and then a fun little game. I used to love these when I was a kid. Don't all kids? So cute. All right, and then in this one, oh, we have some dangles, some tassels, but these are great Halloween colors, so these will go perfect on some Halloween dangles. Or anything, really. Any embellishment, but I like those. I appreciate those. Oh, we have some beads. These are fun. I think I have some similar orange ones. No, I don't think it's quite orange. I think it's more of like a neon pinky orange. But I don't have any purple or black one. I love these type of beads. Anything a little different. Those are fun. Oh, we have some like, look at these are cute. So we have like little googly eyes, but there's stickers that go with them. They have eyelashes, little glasses. That is so neat. I don't think I've ever seen anything like these. Those are so cute. Oh, we have little heart googly eyes. Oh, that'll be so fun for Valentine's. so neat. All right, and then in this one, we have some little sequin jars. We have some beads. Ooh, this one's a heavy one. It's like a stone bead. That one's really cool, or a glass bead. And these are all wooden beads. So we have spider webs. We have like little faces on these. And then we have some orange diamond dots. You can never have enough orange diamond dots. I love buying the Dollar Tree now that they have like diamond dot kits, because they're perfect. Like, it's a perfect amount to like rip open, add it to your sequin mix or your shakers or whatever. So those are perfect. I'll be back. All right, over here we have a couple of these little jelly skellies. These are so cute. Who was it? Was it Larissa? October Avenue last year? Somebody was in one of my swaps. Or maybe it was Raven Lou and paper. I don't remember, but they had a dangle and they had these little guys hanging from it and they were so cute. We have some, ooh, glittery jelly, jingle bells, jelly bells. I don't think I have anything glittery like that. We have some ribbon or thread, but this is amazing. I don't have anything like this either. I love a good like metallic thread. They're perfect to add into like little details on the back of embellishments and stuff like that. But these are great colors. I don't have any colors like that. And then she's even included some hot glue sticks, but they're metallic. So these will be perfect if, I mean, not everybody likes to, but you can do wax seals with hot glue. So we have this gold glitter, we have this gold metallic and a silver metallic. A box full of goodies. And we have some foam flowers over here, and it looks like she's colored them with some ink. So we have all different colors here. So pretty. And then up here we have some of the jack-o'-lantern jingle bells. Again, so cute. And then under here we have a little spider with a little spider web. And then in here, we have some charms. So we have some enamel charms right here. Oh, look at this brain. Love the little bat. Love this little vampire mouth too. So cute. I love enamel charms. I love just beads and charms in general. Then we have these flat backs. Oh, these are fun. Love the little candies and the little bow with a pumpkin. And then we have these fun pumpkin guys. And then up here, she's got more little like sequin. Oh, these are Heishi beads, but they're like a perfect pastel color. Love that. Oh, she's put one on the top so you know what it is. Like this one has gemmies in it. I love these little bottles. These are cute. And then this one has got a little eyeball bead and clay bit mix. And then this one, I think this fell off of there, but it's sequins. Isn't that cute? That was such a clever idea. I never really thought about doing that. And then in this one, we have pom-poms and we have spider rings. So pretty. And then, you know, who doesn't love a good pom-pom? So that's her embellishment box, but we're not done there because there's more goodies. I don't want to squish anything too much. Is that what I was holding it in? There we go. And then she's got a couple little bags of goodies over here. So, oh, here's more of that trim. This trim is gorgeous. So she's created this little like gift bag out of paper, and she's just hole punched some holes in the top so that she could put her twine through. This is like one of my new things too. My new favorite easy bag topper. Oh, what is in here? Oh, we have a whole bunch of words. So we have some of the Chaos Craft spooky words, and she's put them on purple and orange foam. Those are fun. Those will be good in my stash. Already done for me. And then she's created this little notepad. So cute. And I love it, the box too. I love this paper. This is really cute paper. So many goodies. And then there's 2 bags here. Oh, this is like a hidden paper clip topper. Yes. Look at this. This is nice and chunky too. It says Eek. She's got rosette. Love the creepy gauze. Was this white and you just colored it? I had somebody else, like, or maybe it was your ATC that had the purple creepy cloth, and it's so pretty. I want some. But I mean, I guess I could take some ink and make my own if that's what you did. And then in here we have, oh, our shakers. So we have this potion bottle shaker. That's pretty. She's got this rosette and she's got some little ghosties coming off of it. She's got a bow. She's got that really pretty twine on there. And then there's the shaker mix that's inside. So cute. And then this shaker, let's see this one. Ooh, look at this one. It's like, I think this is probably like a snow globe, but if you put it in Halloween colors, it becomes a crystal ball, right? So pretty. Love the little cats. Love her little flowers. So cute. What a great swap. Thank you so much, Carol, for joining the swap. And my fellow Canadian. I know that you don't have a lot of swaps up there, so I try to keep it open if I can. Sometimes it gets a little much going international, but we'll figure something out, you know, if I can. I've only had one international swap other than this one, and that one was a little bit of a fiasco, but we figured it out in the end. But thank you for joining my swap. Make sure you give her some crafty love. I will link all of her information down below, and we will see you in the next swap reveal. Bye, guys.